Hey guys, this is Dobreed again, but this time I'm on a secret mission, and there's some guy that's been walking past our driveway and our street all the time, looking at our house and then stopping and then going back. It's kind of weird. That's why I'm gonna videotape him and send it to the CIA. Here he is. Okay, he's doing his daily walk. Walking to our house today. Hey, he's robbing my car! You get away! Mission abort! Abort mission! Abort mission! Mission terminated! He's coming! He's robbing my house! Mission terminated! Mission terminated! Mission terminated!